How do we evaluate this? Well, first, the index is itself a logarithm. So we'll simplify that first and then we'll know what we're actually raising 5 to. So log 5, log to the base 5 of 25. So this is asking the question, what should we raise the base 5 to get 25? Must be 2, so because 5 squared is equal to 25. So that evaluates what our index is. So this is the same as writing 5 squared, which is equal to 25. What should we raise the base A? What power should we raise it to get a cube? Well, the base A is raised to the third power, so we must raise this base to 3 in order to get a cube. With a base of 9, what power or index should we raise it to get the square root of 9, or 9 to the half power? It must be a half, because we raise 9 to the half, we get 9 to the half. And finally, with a base of 2, what do we raise it to get to cube? Must be 3. Alternatively, you could look at this as log to the base 2 of 8. What is that equal to? What do we raise 2 to which power, what index to get 8? The answer is 3. Either way is correct. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. Any questions or comments are welcome. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to follow or subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.